This is one of my favorite landscapes. We're doing the tier effect, and we're trying to get it with the Lord petalums in the back, azaleas in the middle, and drift roses in the front. I've been working on these for a while, but you can see how I've got the Lord petalums in the back, the encore azaleas right here, and these are my drift roses. We're gonna get all them pruned back, and it's eventually just gonna look like a step down. Now, we will eventually, when they get to the size, we'll have someone come out here and put a growth stabilizer on it. That way they don't grow anymore, but they'll still just fill up, and it'll just look like a step down of just natural color. The encore azaleas bloom 3 times a year, and these drifts, I want to say 2 or 3 times a year, I can't really remember, but it's nice.